Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, welcome to January the 28th, 2022, and we are back with more cruise news stories for you today, and we're going to start off with Royal Caribbean. So yesterday, Royal Caribbean has officially taken possession of their newest cruise ship, Wonder of the Seas. Now, Wonder of the Seas is scheduled to begin sailing on March the 4th, 2022, doing 7-day cruises from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So we welcome Wonder of the Seas to the Royal Caribbean family. And also yesterday, Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas, well, she is the first cruise ship to return to Royal Caribbean's private island destination of Labadee Hati. And this, of course, is Royal Caribbean's second private island. They've been operating it since 1986, and it is back open. And it'll have visits from both Royal Caribbean ships and celebrity cruise ships. So another cruise port back open and operational, even if it is just Royal Caribbean's private island. Now, in yesterday's video, we did talk about Carnival Cruise Lines and the possibility of requiring booster shots here in the future. Well, we have some luxury cruise lines that have already decided that boosters are going to be required. So we have Azamara, Silver Sea Cruises, and Lindbad Expeditions. They are all going to require COVID-19 booster vaccinations in order to be considered fully vaccinated starting on March the 1st. So if you have any upcoming cruises booked on any of those three luxury cruise lines, definitely make sure that you get your booster shot. Like I said, I predict this is something that is going to happen, and this is something that may end up being required through all of the cruise lines. And finally, Holland America Cruise Lines, well, they're turning 75. And to celebrate their 75th birthday, they're going to give away 75 different cruises for two to Alaska. Now, I'm going to put the link in the description below if you have not already gone and entered to win one of these 75 cruises. Now, these cruises are only for legal residents of the U.S., 21 years or older, and the price does not include airfare, transportation, or other costs. So essentially, it is just for an Alaskan cruise. But hey, the chance to win an Alaskan cruise on Holland America, why not? To me, it's worth the try. I've already put my entry in just to see if by chance I can win. Now, you can enter between now and February the 13th. That's going to be the cutoff, and they will be for this Alaskan season here in 2022. All right, and that is our cruise news for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button for me. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.